let's go straight across to Rajasthan, because this is where it's extremely, in fact, I'm told the Congress is already celebrating. We've got some images of celebrations also coming in. We'll play that out in a little while from now. Harsha Kumari Singh joins us. It's 3-1 at this stage, 3 leads for the Congress party. It's 1 for the BJP at this stage. It's up 3 for the Congress, down 3 for the BJP. Harsha, you were explaining to me a little earlier on how this is very significant for Sachin Pilot, who's been very heavily involved over here.
Yes, absolutely, Vishnu, because the seat that they have won, the Nasirabad seat, which they won with a very slender margin, is important because it comes under Sachin's own Lok Sabha constituency. Now, in the Lok Sabha elections, he did not get even a single assembly seat. But the fact that he's kind of stuck it out here in Rajasthan, sort of dug in his heels, and he has been quietly working here, means that he is a leader for a long-term reckoning. In the long term, he is a leader, and given time, he can get things going. Now, of course, the number of seats is not really significant for the BJP because they already had 163. So plus minus 2-3 doesn't matter. But please see that Surajgarh is another very, very important seat for the BJP. If they lose that, it's going to be a loss of prestige for them, because Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje had put her protege Digambar Singh there to fight that election. He's tagging a little behind so far, a slender setback of about 2,000 votes. He could make up also. So that's important. Thirdly, it's also important that this is almost 8 to 9 months after the Vidhan Sabha elections. So it's not so much a vote on the politics of the BJP, but probably a vote on the governance both of the BJP government in Rajasthan and the BJP government at the centre.
Harsha, where is it slender at the moment? The leads and the positions potentially changing between the Congress and the BJP? Which segments? Which seats?
The North Rajasthan, the Surajgarh seat in Jhunjhunu, that's where there's about a 2,000 margin. Ajmer, Nasirabad, Ajmer, the Congress has already won. In Bharatpur, the Congress is in a massive lead. Probably they will win that. Kota South, the BJP has won. So like we're saying, it's a 3 to the Congress and 1 to the BJP so far in Rajasthan.